Hey guys, it's me again. Today, what I got for Christmas this year. So, I got one for Christmas. It's Santa. I just showed my video, but the channel it was me. So yeah, and look at this game called Don't Wake Dad. All it was 2012 was broken. Yeah, nice artwork. So, quietly you'll get caught. So, it was the Sea Beast, Panther, Beauty, and the Beast. So, there's the back. Look, if you wake up Dad, you got scolded. So, this is 2023. It was 2012. Tiptoe, but wait for it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I'm looking. Well, what I got for Christmas, it's the Wiggles Santa's Rocket. Oh, nice artwork. There's a picture from Santa. There's Greg, Murray, Jeff, and Anthony. I love this. All of us the fun. There's a guitar. They're wearing all 1997 to 2001 skivvies. Yeah. Samurai will be back in 2006. Yeah. I was hitting Entertainment autoplay because it was 2006 to 2007. It was in 2015 to 2011. The way about us. Yeah. All the best of fun cheer is a U is a front. There's a Hidden Entertainment logo, as you can see here on the globe. There's a logo, there's a spine, and there's a back here. Prescriptions. Ring-a-ding the bells are for the Christmas day, and the Wiggles are joined Santa Claus to rock and roll over the world. There's a picture from the elves and Santa, and it is from Henry the Octopus. Yeah. Special features. It's called an extra book called Dorothy's Spots. 2 episodes of the Lights Camera Action The Wiggles. Photo gallery, jukebox, song collection, singing along with the Wiggles. Subtitles is Universal. Yep, it's on for 69 minutes and goes on for 47 minutes. Look, and it's a disc, there's an artwork, whoops, the hook, sorry. And it's a disc, there's a picture of Greg, Jeff, Anthony, and Murray. And there's an Entertainment logo. There's an even bloody case. For this weekend, I got me the crummies called Roar. Yeah, Roar is my favorite character. Isn't know what I remember soon. I got Tiki, Marinette. I got the earrings out. Yeah, we'll keep it here. And Chloe Bourgeois is Pauline. You've got a Queen Bee. We'll put it safe. And Nina's friend called Waze. Yeah, Waze is my favorite character. I'm gonna just really put it here safely. After Alex, it was. Milan is Molo, and Alex is Fluff. Light blue Fluff. Yeah, I love this. Well, I got 4 Squishmallows. So I made all the toys for this. Soon everyone is about this. Right, yeah. So the Wiggles are triple about it, but it's because 2025 coming to Wiggles of Roblox lands. That's about this, yeah. And Charlie's playing this toy, and that's fine. Yep. Alright, you've got stray guitars with blue outlines. There's a logo and yellow striped DVD artwork. So with the red design, oh, what star piece spots? Oh no. Yeah. And a bit, yeah, I love too, yeah. Yep. Because I like it. I feel a bit moment. Oh god. Soon I drop my spoon. I'm like I say, forgot furnace. And I've got Funko Pop called A Christmas Story. I Warner Bros. And with a One Time company. There's a 2023 of the Warner Bros. On the WB Shield. I love Funko Pop because I like it because I'm still watching it on TV. Yep, I know what what I got for Christmas in 2025 and 2024. What is about well, what is about this? The boy looking through the window. So, and the cost me a lot of money. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll watch Star Piece Spots on the DVD. The DVD coming in November. Yeah, a DVD will run out. And Marie's growing his hair. So, why I'm looking at them. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.